In this video, we'll show you how to install FoldPro shelving inside a cargo van. This is one of many configurations, as installation can vary according to vehicle. More specific instructions can be found by visiting our website at primedesign.net. Begin by assembling the shelf height adaptable uprights. Identify the two sizes of nut brackets and slide them into the front channel. Be sure they are in the correct orientation and sequence to interface with the top latch and pivot bracket. Screw flange socket head screw into required upright hole to pin nut bracket into place. Using button head bolts and additional hardware, attach top latch and pivot brackets to corresponding nut brackets. Install floor mounting brackets to side of upright using small nut brackets and hardware. Now, with an extra pair of hands, position and align the shelf with the pivot bracket holes. Once aligned, install one hinge pin and retaining ring, then insert it into the bracket. Install the second hinge pin and retaining ring to secure the shelf to the upright. Now, do the same for the lower pins, and install the second retaining rings onto the pins. Repeat this process for the next shelf. When the next shelf has been installed, fold the shelves up to their closed positions. Repeat the entire process for remaining shelf assemblies. Next, install the vehicle-specific mounting kit. This mounting kit is one of many configurations, as installation can vary according to vehicle. More specific instructions can be found by visiting our website at primedesign.net. With an extra pair of hands, position the shelf assembly inside the van. Start by installing mounting bracket nut rivets by finding OEM tie-in location and positioning the mount. Mark the drill location using bracket as a guide. Use a center punch to prevent the drill from walking. Then drill nut rivet hole and install M8 nut rivet. Now, install the mounting bracket using the provided hardware. Repeat these steps for all remaining locations within the vehicle. Next, correctly orient and install the mounting channels into brackets. Adjust vertically to the required height and tighten bracket position. Adjust the channels horizontally and tighten channel hardware. Once the upright is level with the top channels, mark the mounting feet hole locations on the floor. Use a center punch to start the hole, then drill the hole while making sure that the hole location avoids any critical part of the vehicle. Install the nut rivet and repeat these steps at each floor location. Now, position the shelf assembly for final installation. Repeat this entire process for each remaining shelf assembly. Complete your installation by operating and inspecting each shelf for quality assurance. You can now use your newly installed FoldPro shelving to maximize efficiency and space with quick and easy storage flexibility. For more information on FoldPro shelving, please visit our website or contact our sales and customer service representatives.